foundation is not gonna go anywhere after that. So it's that. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ruby. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my foundation every day, or my foundation routine. And if you guys are interested for more videos, please click that subscribe button and also notification button down below so you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my foundation, like day to day or every time I do my foundation, so that I also, you know, I can just refer to this video every time I make like makeup tutorials in the future, as if I'm making tutorials. But anyway, you guys, the first thing I do is I apply my moisturizer. But now I'm using the Estee Lauder Day Wear moisturizer. It has SPF 50. That's just how it looks like right there. I already applied a little bit of it on my face, so it's already prepped. I put my moisturizer and then wait maybe 10 to 15 minutes before I apply my foundation or my primer, or I start with my makeup routine. I'll be putting contact lenses today. I'm using this Neo Vision Silicos right here. I got this from honeycolor.com, and like this is how they look like. Alright you guys, so I have my contact lens. Alright, so after I put my contact lens on, I'm gonna go for my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is just a small size, or a travel size that I got for free. A little bit like this much right here. So yeah, that's it. I would put on my nose, forehead, and on my cheeks, also on my chin. So, and then for foundation, I want it to be a little bit of a full coverage but not too thick. So I'm gonna be mixing my two foundations right here. That much. Just mix them right here, just one pump of that. And then I would just dot them onto my face. Okay. Normally I would concentrate on where my redness are at and also my imperfections. So that's where I would concentrate. So for now, let's just blend out this area right here, or this side of my face. I'm using my beauty blender. I've had this for a really long time now, you guys. Yeah, it's still holding up really good. So then I would just go in and just pat it like this and just blend it out. And as you guys can see, the coverage is really nice. Closer to my face. There it is. Wow, the coverage of this two foundation mixed together is so freaking nice. You guys can see that it covered my blemishes right here and also my redness. Also, it covers my under eye. Oh, this is, by the way, a wet sponge. So I wet and wash my beauty blender prior to starting this video. So there it is, as you guys can see. So here is the side that has the foundation already. You guys can see that, and this is the side that doesn't have the foundation yet. It is so flawless. I like this. So this is basically just the coverage that I would want for my foundation, not too much. And I would just drag it to my neck like so, and yeah, you know, blend it out so that my color of my face is also the same as the color of my neck. I would add a little bit more under my eyes and also hide more of my redness, and add a little bit more to my chin. Okay, so that's it for my foundation. And then I would apply my Naked Skin concealer, and this is in the shade medium light. So this is how it looks like. It has a spoolie, and you guys, if you've seen a lot of my beauty videos, or you know, my makeup application videos, routine and stuff like that, you know that I've been using this quite a lot lately. And I really like how it has applicator like this, and then I would just make like a V kind of like a check under my eye. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing. And normally whatever is on the product or is on the product applicator is just what I'm gonna be using. And then I would put like that on my forehead as well. Serves as a highlight. And then a little bit right here. And then I would try to spot treat as well, and then kind of like put a little bit right here. And then sometimes I would go crazy and apply some right there. So normally this is how I would look like after applying my concealer and, you know, my highlight concealer. And I really like this one, guys, this Naked Skin concealer, because it is so easy to blend. Also, it just highlights or just covers my imperfections as well as highlights my under eyes. So yeah, so I would just use the same beauty blender and then just blend it away. So just like this. So you can see, it's like instant 20 hours of sleep right there. So I'm gonna focus on my eyes as well. Wow, you see this one's not yet. Oh, so pretty. I like this concealer. Then I'll just blend the rest of my face. Sometimes I would still see my pimple marks or my blemishes peeking through, so I would go ahead and apply a more a darker color concealer, and then I would just spot treat that area. I would apply just a little bit, tiny little bit. So I'll just use this to apply it since it's mine, so I'll be okay. And then I'll just use the same beauty blender. That's pretty much it, guys. That's what I do daily for my foundation. And yeah, after that I would just apply powder and then mist away or put some setting spray on my face, especially if I see like a little bit of patchiness on my face because of the powder that I put on. And yeah, but for today I wanted to try this Airspun loose face powder, and this is the original formula. It's still sealed because I just recently got it, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I know I'm so late on this and everybody here on YouTube uses this, so I was like, why not, let me use one as well. This is just a translucent powder, and I see some people use it for under their eyes to set their concealer so that, you know, the concealer won't move and it will stay longer. Also, some people use it to just bake the entire face. So alright, let me show you guys how it looks like. Okay, so as soon as I open it, it looks like this, and it came with puff. That is awesome, but like the powder is like everywhere. It smells good, but it smells like a grandma powder to me. And the puff looks like this. I'm gonna try to bake, you guys. I haven't like baked. This is my first time baking. So basically what they do is they would apply a lot of powder under here, like so. Smells good. This is a method used for people that has very oily skin, but for people that has dry skin, don't try to bake because it will just look so patchy. That will bake my nose and forehead as my chin area. So okay, that's just it's actually, the scent is like growing on me. It smells good. I like that. Alright, so that's just what I'm gonna be doing. And let me see, let me bake right here too. Alright, then I'm gonna move on with my makeup. And alright guys, so I did my eyebrows already, and then now we're gonna sweep away the baking powder because it is already starting to get so dry. So basically, you just need a fluffy brush like this one, a powder brush from Real Techniques. A little dirty because I haven't washed it yet, but I'll still use it. So just flip away the products or the powder like that. Foundation is not gonna go anywhere after that. So